Infant Optics DXR8 baby monitor camera. Just want to walk through some of the quick basic features and some of the lenses that it comes with. It can do a simple pan tilt, up, down, left, right, as you can see. And then it comes with two lenses. One's a standard lens and the second is a 2x zoom lens. I then bought a $10 wide angle lens that is specific to the Infant Optics DXR8. I'm actually expecting a baby in about 2 months, but I got this today shipped to me in advance so I can play around with it and check it out. And it's been pretty good so far. Now I'm going to talk about the lenses. So now I'm going to talk about the different lenses. The first lens is the 2x zoom lens. Here's it when it's without the lens. Here it is with the lens. You can see it zooms into the plants quite well. The next is the wide angle lens. And here's without, and here it is with. You can see the whole room quite well, kind of like the GoPro wide angle effect. I can imagine this will be very useful when my son grows older and is walking around. I can see the entire room without panning and tilting the camera. I think that'd be pretty useful. But here's when it's without, and here again is with. It's pretty easy to swap these lenses, kind of like swapping lenses on and off of an SLR camera. So now I'm going to walk through the features. There's two-way talk, a shortcut menu to adjust the volume and the contrast, and then a menu to adjust the volume again, contrast, screen off timer, a digital zoom, alarm, and some other basic features that other baby monitors have.
This video shows that difference. The first camera angle right here shows the best quality. When you look at light, when you look around the room, this shows the best motion with little blur and very good picture quality, the sharpest that I've seen. When I switch to camera 2, it shows the same room but in a completely different tone. The color scheme is very different. It's in a much warmer tone, and you can see the outline from the bright light to the right. Again, if you notice the difference between camera angle 1 and camera angle 2, the difference of the white light is not apparent in camera angle 1, but it's very apparent in camera angle 2. The quality of camera 2 is very different and much substandard than camera 1. When we look at camera 3 and 4, camera 3 is in a world of its own with colored lines that appear all over the screen. No idea where that comes from. I don't know how this camera got past quality assurance. That's a pretty sad story for Infant Optics. Camera 4 is in the same location, but the same as camera 2, with a warm undertone and very much lower quality than even camera 1. Again, camera 1 has the best quality when you move around and you look at light, and does not change nor show much motion blur.